Guys, today's the day. One of the saddest days in RV, when you have to leave a view like this. So I guess I'm gonna have to get up, put my coffee down, pack this camper up, and let's get moving. And one of the best things about camping is when you luck out and you find a place even better than the first spot. Oh dang, forgot my coffee cups. So that's us at the Elm Hill Rv Resort in November of 2023. And when we had the opportunity to move a couple sites down and get an unobstructed view of the lake, we jumped right on it. So in today's video, we're going to give you guys a breakdown of Elm Hill Rv Resort. We're going to show you all the amenities, some things to do in Nashville that we enjoyed, and some things that you might like as well. And then at the end of the video, we're going to give you guys a breakdown of all the RV sites so you can decide in advance which one might be just right for you.
Elm Hill Rv Resort is located on the J. Percy Priest Reservoir, about 13 miles outside of downtown Nashville. Now it's going to take you between 20 and 30 minutes to get into Nashville, depending on the traffic. The RV park has 126 sites, most of those waterfront. And it's open between March and November.
These sites do vary in length, but are typically wide enough for most rigs and their accompanying vehicle. All sites are full hookup and they're concrete. Almost all sites do come with a picnic table and a fire pit. And many of the sites have an outstanding water view, but even the interior sites still have nice views. But what about the amenities?
The showers are a nice size and individual rooms. Also, the laundry has newer washer and dryers, and there's an app so you can pay with your phone and it'll let you know when your wash is done. There's a nearby marina, children's playground, golf cart rentals. Even the dog park comes with a water view. At the front of the park, there is a large pavilion with a stone fireplace and a pool, again, with a waterfront view. There's also outside games and picnic tables scattered across the park. And somehow we forgot to film, but there's also a swimming area and beach. But the best amenity has to be those waterfront views. Waking up to this in the morning, spending the afternoon watching the activity on the lake, and the evening as the sun goes down. So if you're going to visit Nashville, you probably are wondering what's there to actually do in Nashville. So we do have a longer video if you want to check that out. But right now we're going to give you our favorite things to do in under 1 minute. So if you're visiting Nashville, you can't miss downtown. Make sure to check out the various museums and don't miss taking a walk across the pedestrian bridge for some amazing downtown views. And if you don't want to do a lot of walking, there are a variety of trolley tours, including a brewery tour. Now, we didn't use the trolley, but we did enjoy visiting Tailgate Brewing. We also spent a day visiting Franklin, Tennessee, and enjoying some barbecue. And if you're talking about food, you can't miss the biscuits at the famous Loveless Cafe. From here, jump on the Natchez Trace Parkway. We did a few hikes and saw some sights. But back in Nashville, you can't miss Centennial Park and the Parthenon. Don't forget to go upstairs. And the one thing you must do when visiting Nashville is try some of the hot chicken. So, back to Elm Hill. Now, overall, Troy and I loved this park. We originally had a week booked, and we enjoyed that so much that we decided to go ahead and extend it to 2 weeks, and that's when we moved down with those sites. But here's the thing, we were there in November, so they're only open through, I think, November 30th. So when we got there, the park was only about half full, and by the time we left, the park was pretty much empty. But I imagine if you're coming in the summer, it's probably a little bit different of an experience. You know, the sites, we never felt crowded, even when we had neighbors on either side of us when we first got there. But I can imagine in the summer with it fully packed, you know, it's not going to be kind of that vacation where you're getting away from it. But that's not why you're going to come here. You're coming here to see Nashville. You're coming here to get on the lake. Maybe you have a boat with the marina nearby. So it's really that experience. But you have to be careful on which site you're picking with your rig. Now, ours is only 20 feet, so it pretty much fit anywhere. But if you have a larger rig, you really need to pay attention to those lengths that they do post on their website. And if you're looking for another video to watch, check out the one by Changing Lanes. They have a much bigger rig. They stayed there, I believe, last summer in 2023, and they did have some issues getting parked. So if you do have that larger rig, check out that video as well. Right now, we're going to go ahead and show you the sites, though one at a time. We're going to drive around, and the park was pretty much empty, so you're going to get a good look at both the views that you can get on a particular site and, you know, how big the site actually is. We do like to do this on all of our review videos, so if you'd like to see more of these, please hit that subscribe button. Desi, he always loves it when you hit that notification bell. And right now, we're going to get to the sites.